What's your name?
My name is Sarah.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I can speak a little English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two brothers.
What do you do?
I'm an artist.
What time is it?
It's 3:30.
Where do you live?
I live in London.
Do you like coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
How many oranges are there?
There are 5 oranges.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it's very cold today.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
What color is your car?
My car is white.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to paint and listen to music.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work as a graphic designer.
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Where did you go last weekend?
Last weekend, I went to the mountains.
What's the weather like?
It's cloudy.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had cereal and a banana.
How do you go to work?
I take the train to work.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Greatest Showman.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing tennis.
What did you do last month?
I went to a music festival.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 3 languages.
Where is the nearest bookstore?
It's on Park Avenue next to the library.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn.
Do you prefer juice or soda?
I prefer juice.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling happy and relaxed.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Where did you learn Spanish?
I learned Spanish while traveling in Mexico.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Yes, I'm planning to visit my grandparents.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Stranger Things.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I've been driving for 5 years.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy jazz music.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I use it for work.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are blue.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing at parties.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mark.
How many floors are there in your house?
There are 2 floors.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love dark chocolate.
What did you do on your last birthday?
I went out with my friends to a fancy restaurant.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go jogging every morning.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I've visited Thailand.
What do you usually have for lunch?
I usually have a salad.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer cold weather.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Lisa.
What's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cheesecake.
How do you relax?
I like to listen to calm music.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lemonade.
Are you good at drawing?
Yes, I love sketching landscapes.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I prefer the city because it's lively.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for books.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, I've flown to Japan before.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, hiking is one of my favorite activities.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
How do you get to school?
I cycle to school.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I grow flowers in my garden.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I love baking on weekends.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy watching movies at the cinema.
What's your favorite snack?
I like eating trail mix.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook.
What's your favorite time of day?
I love mornings because they feel fresh.
Do you have a favorite park?
Yes, my favorite park is Central Park.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I saw a live Coldplay concert last year.
Do you prefer to travel by train or plane?
I prefer traveling by train because it's relaxing.
What color is your room?
It's painted light gray.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
I like mushrooms and olives.
Do you have any houseplants?
Yes, I have a little cactus.
What's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite day is Friday because the weekend starts.
Do you like to write stories or poems?
Yes, I enjoy writing short stories.
What's your favorite fruit juice?
I love mango juice.
Do you like to watch animated movies?
Yes, I recently watched Frozen.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love capturing sunsets.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I sing in a choir.
What did you buy from the store last time?
I bought some groceries and a notebook.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I've visited a zoo in Berlin.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend's name is Emma.
What's your favorite thing to do in the city?
I love exploring new restaurants.
What's the last movie you saw?
The last movie I saw was The Batman.
What's something you're really good at?
I'm good at playing chess.
What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day?
I like to curl up with a book.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I enjoy taking online courses.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
My favorite app is YouTube.
Shall we catch up again next time?
Yes, let's plan for that.
Bye!
Bye.